Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the exciting world of software engineering. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone looking to refresh their knowledge, this software engineering course will provide you with the fundamental concepts you need to kickstart your journey into the world of programming, development, and problem solving. I am Aishwarya Saxena and I will be your guide on this exciting adventure. The importance of software engineering. Before we jump into the course content, let's talk about why software engineering is so crucial in today's world. Software powers virtually everything around us, from our smartphones and social media apps to the systems that run our cars and manage our healthcare data. Understanding software engineering principles is not only a valuable skill but also a key to shaping the future of technology. So, what exactly is software engineering? At its core, software engineering is the process of designing, developing, testing, and maintaining software systems. It's about turning ideas into practical functions and reliable programs that solve real-world problems. Throughout this course, we will explore the entire software development lifecycle and equip you with the tools to create your software solutions. What you will learn. Here's a sneak peek at some of the exciting topics we will cover in this course. Number 1. Programming fundamentals. We will start with the basic of programming techniques, teaching you how to write clean and efficient code. Number 2. Software development methodologies. You will learn about different approaches to software development, including Agile, Waterfall, and DevOps. Number 3. Version control. Discover how to crack changes in your code using tools like Git. Number 4. Software testing. Understand the importance of testing and learn various testing techniques. Number 5. Design patterns. Explore common solutions to recurring design problems in software development. Number 6. Project management. Get insights into managing software projects efficiently. Number 7. Collaborative development. Learn how to work in teams and contribute to open source projects. Who is this course for? Whether you are a student, a career switcher, or simply curious about software engineering, this course is designed for you. No prior coding experience is necessary, and we will walk you through everything step by step. All you need is a passion for learning and a desire to build something amazing. Let's talk about the course structure. Our course will be divided into easy-to-flow modules, each building upon the previous one. We will also provide hands-on coding exercises and real-world examples to solidify your understandings. By the end of this course, you will not only have a strong foundation in software engineering, but also the confidence to embark on your own coding projects. So, thank you for joining us on this exciting journey into the world of software engineering. Thanks for watching till the end. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming lessons. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, please leave it in the comment section below. Let's get started and unlock the incredible potential of software engineering together. Thanks for watching, stay tuned and see you in the next video.